Yeah, let's continue. In this session, we are going to discuss NiFi first data flow example. In this example, what we are going to do, move local file from one location to another location. This is my requirement. One location to another location. Move local file from one location to other location. So what I'm doing, I have datasets folder in my C drive. Here I have created input directory and I have created output directory. I want to move data from this input location to output location. Okay, let's say I am moving this file into input location. And let's see, first initially move this file from out of input location. Okay, so this is my requirement. Here I am opening NiFi web UI. Here you can see processor. Just drag processor. Okay. Here type get file. You can see option get file. Select this get file. Click on add. And here again click on processor. Then just drag processor. Here search put file. Then I am selecting put file processor. Click on add. Then I am configuring get file with input location, put to file with output location. Select get file or double click on this get file. It will open a properties. Then provide input directory. Input directory, where is our input directory? This is our input directory. Let's copy this part and provide this part. Then click OK. Then click on apply. Then go to this put file, double click on this one, go to settings, go to properties. Here output directory, copy output directory location. This is output directory location. I'm copying this output directory. Then I'm providing this output directory path. Click on OK. Okay. Click on apply. Now I want to create a connection between input and output. Then you can see this link relation. Select this relation, drag this relation into output. Here you can see relationship is success. Go to settings. We'll discuss this settings later. Relationship we are creating success. Click on add. Okay. Now I want to run get file. Right click on this one. You can see start. Then go to here. See, I am placing this file. Take this file, go and go to input, place this file. Okay, you can see once again start, then see, I'm clicking on start. You can see file is moved from your input location. Go to datasets, go to output. File is not copied here because we started only one processor, input processor, not a target processor. See here, right click on this one. You are not seeing start processor. Listen. Then here go to this output, go to configure, And here you can see relationships, and you have to select terminate and success terminate. Click on apply. Then right click on this one. Now you are able to see start. Click on start. Go to see under queue. Earlier you see one. Now queue is completed. Go to output directory. You are seeing 5. Let's once again cut here. Okay. Then I am opening input to once again. Let me open input location. So go to datasets, and I'm putting file in input location. That's it. Go to data flow. Observe this data flow. See, it is started. Right click here, start, then start. File is moved from input to output. Layer item, how to define data flow